we doing alright?
Very off to pump.
Aspel and Inlet.
Getting the first, please. You got no seatbelt thing back here, mate.
What?
There's no seatbelt
There is.
to put it in.
You sat on it. There should be two
Well, I'm
outside.
not fucking sat on it, mate. There's nothing here.
He's gone behind the cushion there. Well, there should be two more outside here.
Yeah, well, I'm not putting it in that. Listen, pull in. We'll get the seatbelt sorted out and then we'll sort it out, yeah? There's no seatbelt fastener here. Yeah, put your light up. Have you got a seatbelt fastener there?
Put your hand there.
Where is it?
Just put your hand in.
Where is it?
There.
Where? You put it in there. Where is it? Very good. That's it. Now we're sorted. Now we're legal. You have got insurance, haven't you?
Of course.
That's good then.
And of course I don't carry it with me, so I can't prove it to
Well,
you.
that's good then. That's how I like to start off.
Insurance doesn't stop you dying though if the car turns over and gets
No, well, it
smashed by
doesn't
a
do,
plane.
no, but it's good to get that. You should make sure that I got my seatbelt on.
No, you're an adult. You should. It's your
Well, that's your responsibility because you're the driver.
No, it's not. I only have the responsibility
Well,
if
that's
it's a
all
man.
right.
If it's a
You
man.
can let us out in about 10 yards and we'll get out and we're all right. I only asked you a simple question, you didn't give me a simple answer.
I'll just give you a bloody answer.
Well, you did, you said it's there.
Well, I'm trying to drive.
I know.
And you sat
well,
on it.
I know, but
I
you let me get in the taxi, mate, and I'm driving on now. I've heard all the horror stories.
You've obviously had a really good night tonight, haven't you?
Well, really. But I mean, the only thing is, I'm just saying to you that you're responsible because you're the taxi driver. That's all I'm saying to you.
And I said to you that the law states, right,
Yeah.
the seatbelt in a taxi, right, if I get somebody in my car who is a minor, under
Well, I'm not a minor, am I?
no, shush, under the age of 16 years old, then it is my responsibility to get that person to pull the
So
seatbelt
I
on.
asked you to. There's no seatbelt fastener, so I said to you, pull over the car
Which
and
I
get the
did.
seatbelt on,
Which I did.
which you've done. So
So
that's
what
it.
are you arguing about then?
So that's it. So and then you get onto me as though I'm a problem, and I'm just saying to you that I want to get a seatbelt on.
No, I told you you're sat on it, and you said no, I'm not.
I'm not sat on it.
You was sat on it. You
I
was,
was
you
not
was
sat on
tucked
it.
in
It weren't,
the- you was
it
tucked
weren't
in the seat.
available.
End the conversation. I'm not arguing.
Well, that's it. It weren't available because it was under the seat. And you might get some difficult customers, but believe you me, I can be your most difficult customer if you want to be.
Listen, I don't give a shite.
Well, whatever. We'll take your number and we'll boot you in tomorrow.
You can do whatever you
You don't
bloody
need to
want.
worry.
Because everything you said to me,
Yes.
right? If you see that little red thing in the front there,
Yeah.
that is a camera recording
That's very good.
a conversation and all your movements.
Well, that's it. We've not done anything wrong. We're just saying
well,
to
I've
you.
not neither. So what are you going at me for?
No, I'm not getting at you. I'm just
Well,
saying to you.
if this isn't the way you normally talk to people,
That isn't
well, you've
the
got a
way
fucking
that
chip
we
on your
normally
shoulder.
talk. I just asked you to pull over until we
Which
can
I
get the
did.
seatbelt fastener.
You asked me where the seatbelt fastener was.
And we've
I said you
answered
sat on
that question, I think,
Well,
about
what are you
fine
fucking going
now.
on about? Shut the fuck up then.
Well, are you telling me to shut the fuck up now?
I am.
Right.
And that's also on recorded as well.
Right, well, let's pull over the car then. And for.
You want to stop here, yeah?
Oh, yeah, we'll get out here.
You sure?
Yeah, pull it over here, Steve.
I don't want to enter
Yeah,
first.
Steve, get out here.
No, I don't
We'll
want
end the
to
car
enter
here.
first.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm
No.
not listening to this. Twat.
Are you staying in?
Yeah. I'm staying in. You're out of order.
No, I'm not out of order.
You're out of order.
No, listen to it.
Over
Listen
nothing.
to it. Pay him off. And we'll sort it out. No, he's not effing and blinding at me.
He's
Why
not-
should he
he's
be
not-
effing and blinding
he's not
at me?
effing blind at
He's
you.
just done it now.
No, he's not.
Get out. Come on.
He's not effing bland at you.
Just get out. We'll sort it out. We'll just pay him off. It's alright. Fine.
He's not effing bland at you.
Stephen, just get out.
I've been listening. He's not effing bland at you.
He hasn't effing and blinded me. I just said he started effing about.
He didn't F.
Well, he did.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
No, he
Yes, he
didn't.
did. Stephen, just get out.
Get back in, David.
Just get out.
Just get back in.
Just get out.
Just get back in.
Stephen, just get out. Just get out. Stephen, just get out.
If you want to continue, just shut the door and I'll continue.
No, it's fine. Listen, what taxi rank are you?
I don't work. I work off that taxi rank.
I'll be card, go on.
I don't have a car.
Oh yeah, you don't have a car. Come on, Stephen, get out and we'll sort him out. We'll pay him off and then I'll speak to whoever.
Speak to whoever. Eh?
Listen, just get out of the car and we'll get out. Come on. Get in. Get out. How much do we owe you, mate? What are we on?
690.
Oh, that's fine. Believe you me, listen pal, you don't speak to me like that.
You don't
I'll
speak
tell
to
you
me.
what,
Like,
you don't speak to me like that in the taxi.
Well, you've argued over something so trivial, it's unbelievable.
Listen, you don't
Shoe's
speak
got-
to me
Shoe's
in a
got the
taxi
chip-
like that, pal.
Shoe's got the
Listen,
chip on the shoulder.
Listen, there you go, we'll pay you off. Yeah. Where are you on? 5?
Yeah.
6?
690.
That's fine for me. Maybe 7. Believe you me, you're a bad taxi driver.
And you're a bad passenger.
You're a bad fucking
Fuck
taxi
off.
driver.
If anybody's coming down through Hindley, you'll see 2 lads walking down, walking up towards Hindley. Don't pick them up, they're just absolute fucking knobheads. They don't look like knobheads, but one of them's just a fucking gobby bastard.